Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix error 610 in Roblox. This error usually prevents you from joining games and is often caused by session issues or network-related problems. First, open Roblox, click on the gear icon, choose Logout, and then log back in with your ID. This refreshes your session and can quickly fix the issue. Next, restart the Roblox app or clear its cache if the problem continues. You should also make sure Roblox is fully updated to the latest version. In your browser, click on the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open third-party cookies. From there, click on See All Data and Permissions, then search for Roblox in the search bar. Delete the cache for Roblox and click on Delete. If it still does not work, reset your DNS settings by typing cmd in search and running command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter, then restart your computer. Finally, try switching how you access Roblox. If you are using the browser version, try the desktop app or vice versa. This often bypasses error 610 completely. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox error code 610 by refreshing the session, clearing cache, resetting DNS, and switching platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.